Hi ladies, I wanted to share with all of you this cute little Dutch oven that I purchased from Walmart. This is from the beautiful brand from Drew Barrymore. And it's a cast iron Dutch oven. So, and it's in the color pink champagne. Make something beautiful, Drew. So I thought I would give this to myself since I wanted to make videos on cooking and I wanted to do an unboxing with you ladies. And I've been eyeing this for a long time already. I had the Women's Pioneer cast iron Dutch oven in my cart on the app, on the Walmart app, but I decided to go with the Drew Barrymore one because I thought it was stunning. I mean, both of them are beautiful, but I could only purchase one with my budget right now. So I went with this one from Drew Barrymore. I love the pink and then the heart shaped and the cute little handle or the knob. And so far it arrived the other day and here it is. I wanted to share with all of you ladies this beauty before I open it. Here is Drew Barrymore. And I love all of her appliances that she carries, her air fryers and her blenders. She even has like her the utensils for cooking. So I want to invest in her brand a little more, but for right now this is the only purchase that I could afford for the moment, and I thought I would share this with all of you. So let me open it and I will share it with you ladies. So far I cut the tape and I was reading some of the descriptions here that it has. And this is a 2-quart capacity, is ideal for side dishes and desserts. Heart-shaped stainless steel lid knob. Oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit. Emmanuel interior for naturally non-stick, stain resistant and easy to clean. Sturdy side handles for a safe and secure grip. Stylish matte finish exterior. And some of the key features that it has is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Heart-shaped design is perfect for holidays and special occasions. Durable cast iron construction, retains heat and locks in moisture. No pre-seasoning required. So that's what it claims to have. And let's open it, see if I can get it out with one hand. It's harder than it looks. And I love how she wrote a little message here for us. Make something beautiful, Drew. Okay, so let me get it out and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have some paper, some more cardboard paper, some more cardboard, and more cardboard. And here she is. She is adorable. Okay, let me flip her over. Flip her over. And oh my God, so beautiful. beautiful enamel cast iron Dutch oven. Let's put that over there. Wow, she's a beauty. Oh, I'm so happy. I want to test her out. She has these little, I don't know what that is, plastic. Wow, she's heavy. Okay, so here she is. She's definitely cast iron. I love the cute little knobs. She is definitely a beauty. So she has her cute little lids, her knob with the rose gold heart, and her B for Barrymore, or for beautiful, I guess. And she is stunning. So cute. I love her. This is what she looks like from the inside. And I can't wait to use her. So you will be seeing her in my videos, and I love the fact that she matches all of my other pink pots and pans that I have right over there. But definitely I don't have a cast iron anything, so make something beautiful. All right, so now I have to look up some recipes and cook something for all of you. So it's just her little warranty paper. So that is everything for this video. I hope you ladies enjoy my little unboxing of the Drew Barrymore cast iron Dutch oven. And I want to say thank you. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you ladies on my next video. Bye.